Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening the Storage Manager. This gives a clear map of usage. Once logged in, back up essential files to an external drive or another cloud so you can safely delete. Next, sort Drive, Gmail, and Photos by size to find the biggest space consumers. Do this now so every ensuing action targets maximum gain. You'll remove the heavy items first, saving time and avoiding accidental loss of small but important files. Once you've located the largest consumers, start with Drive. Delete unneeded large files, then permanently empty trash to free the bytes. Next, in Gmail, use search operators like has, attachment older than 1Y to find and purge bulky messages. Archive what you must but delete attachments you don't need. For photos, remove duplicates and consider converting originals to storage saver quality to cut usage dramatically. Make sure to review shared folders. Removing or transferring ownership reduces your build storage immediately. To finish, review shared items and transfer ownership of large files you no longer need to keep. Then, change Google Photos to Storage Saver and enable two-step verification so accidental uploads or unauthorized sharing don't refill your quota. Once done, set a regular quarterly audit and enable storage alerts for above 80% so you stay ahead. Troubleshooting tip: if space doesn't update, sign out and clear cache. Then check the Storage Manager again. Sometimes the dashboard needs a refresh to reflect changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.